Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Ajit Singh from Karnas Brightland Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So this is a part 1 video for the new chapter 2, uh, more about Windows. So dear students, let's start with the new chapter, more on Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest and the most secured version of Windows introduced by Microsoft with the advanced and much improved features. It is easy to use and provides user friendly environments. You get more security features and ongoing updates in Windows 10 to help safeguard against current and future threats. Due to its amazing features, it is gaining popularity day by day. In the previous class, you have learned about some of its unique features like Cortana, the search tool, Snap Assist, the Windows Store, and a bundle of universal apps, etc. In this chapter, you will be introduced with the sum of more innovative tools that help to get things done fast. Quick view for you to create a new blank desktop. Press Windows key plus Control plus D shortcut key combination for creating a new desktop. New features of Windows 10. So let's discuss, students, how many features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is loaded with the multitasking tools, a custom start menu, live tiles, snap assist, task view, and virtual desktops to keep you organized, focused, and ready for anything. A few distinctive features are as follows: more personal, you enjoy Windows 10 like a more personal digital assistant, the best Windows as you yet for gaining the providing features that enable your devices and phone to remain in synchronizations. Continuum. Continuum is a new feature. Continuum in Windows 10 helps the operating system to work better with the devices that support both a mouse and a keyboard and a touch input. For convertible devices, there are two modes, tablet and desktop. When you wish to use tablet mode, click on the notification icon present on the notification area of the taskbar. This will open the Action Center pane on the right side of the desktop. Click on the tablet mode button placed at the bottom of the Action Center pane. In the tablet mode, the start menu opens the full screen along with the currently active window, if any. Apart from that, the tablet mode maximizes all the apps, removes your taskbar icons and leaves only essential notifications tray items. The taskbar in tablet mode displays only the start button, back arrow, and search icon and the task view button. Windows 10 automatically changes to this mode if it detects that there are no keyboards attached. Task view. Task view is another interesting feature of Windows 10 that enables you to organize the applications running on your computer. You can create multiple desktops and can view all of them together by clicking on the task view buttons located on the taskbar. When all the desktops are in view, you can also drag and drop an app from one desktop to another. Quick view for you. In Task View pane, you can also close the current desktop by pressing Windows key plus Control plus F4 shortcut key combination. Searching made easier. Windows 10 has the most enhanced and powerful search tools Cortana, which answers all the questions that you ask either in the test verbally. But for that you need to microphone to talk. Here are a certain things that Cortana do for you. It can play music, games, set alarms and reminders, take notes and send email, create and manage list and find files, places and information, open any app on your system and browse the web to respond to your query. To Cortana, turn on Cortana, click on the box on the taskbar followed by another click on the gear icons on the left side of the display menu. A setting menu will appear in the right pane. Turn Cortana on by moving the slider to the right in the setting menu. Cortana will start gathering information about you. Once activated, it becomes visible on the taskbar as can be seen in the figure. You can also activate Cortana by giving the voice commands, "Hey Cortana," if you have a microphone attached to your computer. Now next quick view. Cortana can also be activated by clicking on the search box followed by a click on the small Cortana circle displayed on the lower left side of the menu. New feature of Windows 10. The Windows 10 browser Edge enable you to conduct a safe and quick search on the internet. It also provides a reading mode that opens a web page displaying only the text and hidden all other restrictions such as graphics, images, etc. You can also save your articles and annotate the web page directly. Action Center. Action Center, the new notification center of Windows 10, displays alerts for your device and all the apps in the slide out pane on the right side of the desktop. The upper part of the pane displays tips and apps notification, whereas the lower part of displays a series of quick action buttons. These buttons enables you to perform actions such as adjusting the screen brightness, turning Bluetooth on or off, switching the tablet mode, etc. Along with the notifications, security tips, alarms, reminders, etc. are also displayed in Action Center. Note: quick actions are set of tiles that give access to frequently used settings and tasks. Windows Hello. Windows Hello is a Microsoft new built-in biometric security system for Windows 10. It allows you to sign in into your systems using data like fingerprint, face, or iris recognition. Biometric logins are secure, fast, and easy to create. Windows Hello requires appropriate hardware devices to be connected to the system for its proper working. Let's know more. Steps Recorder is a tool that helps in troubleshooting a problem occurring on Windows 10. It creates a file that contains the screenshot of every action that is performed on the system, descriptions of the action in plain English and exact the date and time of actions, which helps in solving the problems. creating a desktop, creating a new desktop. In Windows 10, you can create multiple desktops for organizing different sets of applications. To create a new desktop, follow the given steps. Click on the Task View button, locate it on the taskbar. The Task View pane opens the displayed in preview all the open windows. Click on the new desktop buttons placed at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Task View pane. A new desktop thumbnails named Desktop 2. Click on the thumbnails to view the newly created desktop. It is replica of desktop but doesn't display the application open in the desktop one. You can open the apps that you want to use on this desktop. You can group the desktop windows by opening similar kind of apps in one desktop. Click on the Task View button to switch buttons between desktops. Switch between desktops. Moving apps between desktops. How to moving apps in between the desktops? Follow the given steps. Move to an app from one desktop to another. Open the Task View pane by click on the Task View button. Place on the mouse over the desktop thumbnail. It will display the thumbnails of all the opened apps. Right click on the app that is to be moved and select Move to option. This will display the desktop list that you have created. Choose the desktop to which you want to move the app. Alright. After that, app will open. You can also drag and drop an application window from one desktop to another desktop. Closing desktop. To close desktop, open the Task View pane and place the mouse pointer on the desktop you want to close. Click on the Close button present in the upper right corner of the desktop thumbnail to close the desktop. Thank you very much, student, to watching this video.